succession and career development planning with Jessie.
Thanks, Phoebe. Okay, so this is Jessie, and we will bring us through the release for succession and career development for this H1 release. So let's start. So first one is to reinstate or reinforce the message that Joanna shared earlier when it comes to the deprecation of our legacy goal management tool. So if you are using performance or development goal feature in SuccessFactors and you still haven't upgraded to our latest goal management tool yet, please take note that this legacy version of goal management tool is being replaced in this release, and it will mean the end of maintenance by May 17th this year, so that we no longer can submit any support ticket if you face any issue while using the legacy version of goal management tool. And when it comes to the next slide, it's also related to this upgrade to our latest goal management tool. Because now in this release, SuccessFactors is globally pushing our latest goal management tool to all the instances or all the SuccessFactors environment, so that if you are still not ready for this upgrade to the latest tool, so we do have another the one last chance for us to opt out of this upgrade. So please be aware of this 30 days gap from our release date. Within this 30 days gap, you will still be able to choose to opt out of this latest upgrade and revert back to our legacy version of goal management tool. But afterwards, if you miss the gap, or if you decided that this is the chance for me to upgrade already, then the good news is SAP will be pushing this upgrade to you universally. And also be aware for our next upgrade, when it comes to the second half of 2024, there's no longer a chance for us to opt out for the latest tool. So we will have to be prepared for the next release. And I would say if you still haven't moved to the latest tool yet, use this chance to start preparing for it, and then move to the latest goal management tool before next universal push. Okay, so we will now go ahead with some other exciting updates about our latest goal management tool. So first will be the redesigned experience for our goal creation option. So now with this change of goal creation page, SuccessFactors is trying to push for a more dialogue-based user experience when it comes to creating new goal. So in terms of functionality, there's no change from before. So you still have the same features to create goal, either from scratch or create it from a library or create it from a goal library. But this UI change is to follow the trend nowadays, where you interact with the system to action on things, as well as paving the ways for AI changes later on. So in one of the update later on we see for AI changes, you will see why this why is the reason that we are bringing in this new user experience for creating goals. So if we go to the next slide, thank you. So this will be another feature parity that we upgrade that we are seeing for our latest goal management tool. So we do understand from some of our clients, they have invested a lot of time and maybe even resources to purchase or to set up some of the coaching advisor or writing assistance for our development goal features. And previously, when we upgrade to the latest goal management tool, these features will not be supported in the latest goal management tool. And many of our clients is worried about this upgrade, and hence they still try to stay with the legacy ones instead of going with the upgrade. So now with this release, the writing assistant and coaching advisor is finally available to our latest goal management tool. So if this is one of the reasons that you decided not to update, so this is the time that SuccessFactors have proven you that it's time for you to go ahead with the upgrade to the latest tool. Yeah. So if we go ahead with the next one, so this will be the one of my favorite, I would say, for our career development update for this release. So now we have the new experience for using our career worksheet, because now the user interface will look a lot hipster-like, trendier, and then also when it comes to integration, there's a lot more integration option when it comes to our new look with career worksheet. So it's much more integrated now with our growth portfolio. Also, it's also integrated with our opportunity marketplace. So now for career worksheet, not only can you just view your current role as well as the target role for exploring, you can also explore what's the skill set that you will need for your future role, as well as what are the job opportunities that you can use or you can sign up yourself for to improve your skill or competencies to attain the future job role. So with this well-integrated tool, there's a lot more options for you to explore more career opportunities within the organization itself. So this is a customer configured update. So we do recommend that if you find this very interesting, start engaging our support team from Zalaris, and we will work with you together to enable this new look and feel for career worksheet. And if we go to the next slide for career development, so this one is another feature for AI recommendation of career opportunities. So with this new update about viewing employees' career opportunities in Career Explorer, this is introduced by SAP to, in a way, this is recommended by SAP in a way to ensure that we have some conscious usage when it comes to our AI tool for recommending our job opportunities. So what administrator can do is to review beforehand what are the opportunities that it's recommended by AI. So to make sure that it's all well trained and it's appropriate before they release this to the end user. So I would say it's a very nice tool to have just to ensure that AI is working with us, not against us. So now if we go ahead with the next slide, so this will be on the mentoring tool for assessing continuous performance. So this is one of the most asked requests from our client, because previously there's no way for us to update any of our ongoing activities on mentoring with our continuous performance features. So now it's well integrated, and you will be able to use continuous performance feature directly from your mentoring view. And for the next slides, thanks, Vicky. So for the next few slides, it's all related to our generative AI tool that has been introduced by SuccessFactors in this release. So first we'll be creating personal goals using generative AI. So in one of the slides before, we mentioned about having a dialogue view when it comes to creation of new goals. So if we have AI technology enabled for our SuccessFactors, now you have also the version to create new goals assisted by AI technology. So when you are just typing a few words and you choose to generate AI response, so AI will actually help us to write up our goal and the goal details for us. Now, in case saving us a lot of time to think about the right word to use when it comes to creating goals. So this is not just about creating goals. So if we move on to the next slide, you will see that in a lot of other functionality within SuccessFactors for performance and development, you will now be able to use our AI technologies to assist us with writing. So if you are like me, when it comes to performance review, you need a lot of time to think about what to write in your comments. Now this generative AI tool can help you to write the message in the right tone, in the right language, and also to help you to fix some of your grammatic error. So it's again very efficient to help you to improve some efficiencies, also to ensure that you don't get scared about doing your year-end review anymore. Yeah. So if we look at the next slide too, so this is more of an administrative tool, just to give your administrator the control to make sure that you only turn on AI technology for the ones that you have. So now you will have an AI services administrative page, which you can choose which are the functionality within performance goals, performance review, as well as development goal that you may want to turn on AI technology for. So these are all the releases that I have included for this, and you can also look back to our ebook later on for more details about this release.
Great, thank you, Jessie.